Molweni babukeli bayo isiXhosa TV predictors. Today you will have 5 to 6 odds. We'll start in England where Everton is welcoming Newcastle. There is a tough game. Any team can win there because Everton is desperate. They don't go to championship. There you just say you will take that option, say send off. You will say no. The second one is Southampton against Bournemouth. That is another tough one. Both teams, they want to run away from relegation zone. Just say send off no. Hotspurs versus Man United. To increase your odds there, say Man United is going to win under 4.5. There's another one. You go to La Liga in Spain, where Valencia is welcoming Real Valladolid. There, just give Valencia in the draw. The second one is Villarreal versus Espanyol. Just give Villarreal in the draw. Atletico Bilbao versus Sevilla. It's a tough one. Just give 3 goals of handicaps to Sevilla. We go also to international clubs. You have a Champions League women's. It's Barcelona versus Chelsea. Just give over 2.5 of goals. In Italy, it's Coppa Cup. Just give it's Fiorentina versus Cremonese. Give straight win to Fiorentina. Thanks for watching. Thanks for today. We love you.